Welcome to Grammar Guardian.
Hey, English lovers! Ready to test your grammar skills? This quiz consists of 30 questions that assess your understanding of English grammar as an intermediate learner. Are you ready to prove you're a grammar pro? Good luck!
The correct answer is beginning. A prefix is letters that come at the beginning of a word. The correct answer is heat. Heat is the root, or base word, in the word preheat. The correct answer is un. Un is the prefix in the word untie. The correct answer is again. The prefix re, like in the word replay, means again. The correct answer is end. A suffix is letters that come at the end of the word. The correct answer is without. The suffix less, like in the word fearless, means without. The correct answer is read it again. What do you do if you reread a book? Read it again. The correct answer is able. Able can you add to the word reason to make a new word. The correct answer is unhelpful. If you wanted to say someone is not helpful, which word would you use? Unhelpful. The correct answer is uncertain. Which of these words means not sure? Uncertain. The correct answer is un. Un would you add to the word finished to show that there is still some work to be done. The correct answer is before. The prefix pre mean before. The correct answer is true. Prefixes and suffixes change the meanings of words. Yes, it's true. The correct answer is pre. Dinosaurs existed at the beginning of time. These times were called prehistoric. The correct answer is dis. Juan and I disagreed about who won the game. The correct answer is full. The mountains were filled with beauty. They were beautiful. The correct answer is est. The girl is so intelligent. She is the cleverest student in the class. The correct answer is full. Full suffix can you add to the word peace to make a new word. It's peaceful. The correct answer is disagree. They don't want to work together anymore. They always disagree. The correct answer is review. We didn't remember the topic, so we decided to review about it.